going very well. We actually just came back from Poland, and we have a little bit more to shoot, but I think we're all very excited. I think just the entire movie has been an experience. I think he's very, very inspiring because he is also someone who is extremely healthy and really, he's into his fitness, he's into wellness. And it's really inspiring. It's amazing how the entire set right now on Kick is just inspired by Salman, and everyone eats well and everyone goes to the gym, and I've never seen that kind of inspired activity ever before on a set. And there's a men's range, so I'm sure that he would definitely like that. He's definitely someone who takes care of himself as well, so I'm sure he'll love the products. I think my mom loves the creams. So the body butter creams in Body Shop are just fabulous to use. Also there are the skincare creams. Even apart from the body butter, there's also amazing skincare creams. So for a lot of age groups, and I think for them there are different, we look at all the different fragrances and stuff, and I think there's like stuff like rose, lavender, which actually also I think suits them, goes with them. They love that. I know my mom loves that kind of stuff, so I definitely gift her one of those. Gosh, I think she's definitely someone who's always been there for you. I think whenever you feel that you're alone in the world, you should know that there's always your mother who will always be there for you, and no matter what you've done, she'll never judge you, and she'll never disown you for it, because there's always that love that she will always be there to give you. So always trust in your mother to always be there for you. I know my mom is.
Thank you.
It's something you can't avoid because it smells so good and it feels so great on the skin. If I was to advise anyone right now what product specifically, I would have to say it's the strawberry body butters and the strawberry mist, because it just smells fresh. It's amazing for summer, and the body butter is quite light on the skin as well, which is also important for our climate. Strawberry just smells amazing, and when it comes to, the actual creams, they all feel really good and they all moisturize so well. But strawberry right now, I think it would be topping my list because it's summer. It smells amazing, feels great. And of course, I think like my other flavors would have to be the honey, vanilla, coconut. I love all these. They're very summery, they're very light and fresh, and I've been sticking to them for like ages. So today we have announced that the new brand ambassador of Body Shop is me, and this is extremely exciting for me because I've been using Body Shop ever since I was a child. So for me to be standing here today, it's such an amazing opportunity, and of course a brand and products that I truly believe in. So I'm very happy. I think social causes are things that I think you do honestly, obviously for other people, and it's I think that is your focus. So it's maybe people are maybe not aware, but it's not about that. I think it's just about wanting to help others, and eventually it does at the end of the day also make you feel very good about it. But yeah, it's important also because we are as celebrities, we have a greater platform to do so and to increase awareness. So I do feel responsible for taking up quite a few, or whatever social causes I can. I think we have some of the most stunning actresses in the world, and for me, I think growing up it was always Aishwarya, because it was like an icon, growing up and seeing Aishwarya Rai on TV or in magazines. It still is actually to some extent. But I think the actresses also girls that, they're girls that I've actually become friends with, they're girls that I know, they're girls that I've worked with as well. And, they are genuinely extremely beautiful, I think even off screen. But if I was to gift them anything from Body Shop today, I think I would give them all the strawberry packaging products, because they smell amazing and they actually do feel really good, and I think they all deserve it. Actually, Actors Co, I will give the men's range. I don't know if they'd be too into body butter and lip butter and stuff. I think the men's range would suit them better.